Today we're making Bezy, Polish meringue kisses. It's an uncomplicated recipe. The prep is simple. The baking and cooling, that's a slow process. So we'll call them easy, but not necessarily quick. You can use these in so many ways. Crush the Bezy and mix them up with whipped cream and berries like my friend Elzbieta. Check the description for more options in the written recipe. For ingredients, I'm working with 4 egg whites, about half a cup. I'd had some in the freezer, a dash of salt, 3/4 of a cup sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla or other extracts. In a large bowl, beat the egg whites and salt until peaks form, then slowly add the sugar, beating until the meringue is glossy and forms stiff peaks. This will take a while. Using fresh egg whites or adding a half a teaspoon of cream of tartar or lemon juice to the egg whites will help ensure a stable, fluffy, glossy mass. When the meringue is ready, you can spoon this onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet or pipe them, and that's what I prefer. It gives you a nicer look. You can add some food coloring stripes on the bag to give you a little hint of color. You can also spoon some jam or preserves over the top of the meringue before you pipe it into the bag. That will give you a nice streak of jam through the meringues. You'll bake these for about an hour at 200 F, 90 C for golf ball size kisses. If you're doing something larger, more baseball size, maybe it'll be up to 2 hours. When the time is up, turn the oven off, leave the meringue inside to cool for 3 hours. These are just plain vanilla meringues. I put them in the oven for an hour, set the timer to shut them off after the hour, and I went to work and opened it up when I got home. It's really light, fluffy and crisp at the same time on the outside. The middle is just the slightest bit chewy. It's really nice. I'm sampling Beza. I'm sampling a Beza with cherry preserves. A little tartness that cuts the sweetness, and they look so pretty. Check out these and other recipes at my website, polishhousewife.com.